What's going on, average tech guy? And here we go. Apple Watch Series 7. Let's get it open. All right, so this is what you get when you are first greeted. Your normal, good old, colorful Apple Watch bands on the different styles of the Apple Watch. So what I did was I picked up the midnight aluminum version of this watch, and I picked up that green strap. So I got the marigold one right here. This is a brand new color in the solo braided. This is on my Series 6 right now. Just got that one just sitting right there on the wrist. About to swap over. All right, so we'll put all that to the side and we'll get into this green band a little bit later. Really don't need to open this one up right now because I got plenty of these. I just saw the green and I liked it. But this is the box. So let's go ahead, get that out of the way. And I saw some people have problems opening this box earlier, but there we go. Very smooth, very nice. So it is connected down at the bottom by a sticker. We'll just do that. And this is what we get. So you get your Designed by Apple California, all that good stuff. And then you have the charger in this box. Now this is the fast charger that's going to get you about, I want to say 80% in about 40 minutes or so. I think that's what they're claiming. I never really had a problem with my Apple Watch going dead, but this is the fast charger. Now keep in mind the fast charger will not fast charge any other Apple Watch, only this one, and none of the other chargers will fast charge this Apple Watch. You got to have these together. All right. Each color this year is going to be wrapped in a piece of paper notating that color. So most people said that midnight color was a blue, had a blue hue to it, but I just say it's black. So let's get it. I don't want to even tear that paper. There we go. Perfect. Pulled it out, no problems. And this is the actual body itself. And since Apple does have a blue version of this watch, I'm really just looking at this one and it is really about the same color. So I'm looking at these and they are literally about the same color. This one is more of a graphite gray and the midnight is just black all the way around. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, like I said, about the same size, but the screen tells the difference. So what I'm gonna do is just get this thing powered on, and we get the Apple logo, and let's undo this just to see what it looks like. So we know that one end is going to be straight up charging and the other one is going to be for the watch. I don't want to break it, but right there, undoing that, you do get USB Type C. That's going to enable that fast charge. And this is the actual dock that you're going to put this device on. All right, so what we got to do now is actually get this connected to the iPhone, and we'll just get it on, see how it's working, and get the first thoughts on this device. So pairing is going to be really easy, really simple. As soon as I turn this on, it actually connected and said that it was available. Hit continue, and then it's going to run through everything else for myself. I'm setting this up for me. It's a very easy process. All you got to do is just kind of like hold that in the frame. Boom. Apple Watch is paired. Now, you can't really ask for anything to be easier than that. We're going to be wearing this on the left, and it's just going to follow the different prompts and it's going to set itself up. So if this is your first time using one of these, it's really easy, really simple. This is how you set it up, and then you just please continue setup on iPhone. It's going to connect and you're just going to be all good to go. So let's just finish this setup process and we'll go from there. Okay, so here we go. Got it set up, and this one over here, of course, is the Series 7. Much larger area on that screen. This is the new contoured face. If you just see that, you just move the little numbers. But we're not doing a full review right now. If you do want to see like a full on review of this because I think it's pretty much the same as this one, with the exception of the battery life and a couple of other things, but like no real big improvements on this one. I'll do one, but if enough people don't want to see it, we won't have to do all that. Just want you to kind of see the differences in the faces and the size. And I am using the midnight band on the midnight watch right here. Midnight band, midnight watch, and I got the crown over here on the left side instead of over here on the right. And that's pretty much what you are going to get. Now, one thing I did like about this up front is, I'm gonna take it off my arm. So one thing I wanted everybody to see is the actual size of the numbers and things. I'm gonna take this one off so we can just get accurate. Boom. So it's much easier to touch these over here, much larger, much bigger. And over here, I never had an issue touching them, but like I said, you get more space over here on this screen, which you're supposed to. This one is 45, this one is 44. And keep in mind, these bands are interchangeable. So any band you have for the 44 will work for the 45 as well, and vice versa. But that's pretty much it. So I will be using this one from now on. Get it on my wrist. My wife is going to be getting a 6 now, so she'll get that one. I'll be using this one, and everybody will be happy. So that has been my unboxing and my first impressions. I like the way it looks. I like the size of it. I like the fact that the numbers and everything are much bigger, and I do like some of these new watch faces that we have, which I got to get everything set up, but that's one of the new ones as well. And you saw the other new one in portrait mode over here, which I've been rocking this one for a couple of days now, but that's pretty much it. Until next time, hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.